Welcome to Research World. In this video tutorial, I will show you the best online AI detector. Let's begin. I will show you a practical exam by taking AI-generated text and scanning it online. For example, what is artificial intelligence? Wait for ChatGPT generate results. Now search for originality.ai. Open the first website. Once it is opened, you need to sign up. I have already joined originality.ai, so I will directly log into the website. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the AI-generated text. Originality.ai provides two functions. One is AI detection, and second is traditional plagiarism checking. Paste the copy AI-generated text here and click Scan Now. Wait, the AI detector is scanning the text. Online scanning has been completed. Now you can check that this text is 100% AI generated. While if we check traditional plagiarism, it is 35%, as well as showing the sources from the text has been taken. You can see it is showing 4 websites from where the text was taken. Thank you for watching.